Welcome all. Today's topic is never do dramas regarding black magic. Now, this is again a very important topic that I wanted to talk about because I have come across many cases in between where this black magic thing, the negative energy aspect, has been taken as a joke, I would say, or has been taken to use certain things of their lives to get things done in their lives by some people. And this is something that is absolutely a no for everybody, and this is exactly what the topic is for today. Okay, to explain this topic, I would talk about one of the cases which came to me long back. It's in a form of a story. I would just say a reconstructed story that I would like to say. Like the heading says, and never do any drama saying that you're a black magic victim. Okay, so the story goes like this: that there was a couple case which came to me, okay, in which the husband said that the wife was claiming for almost 4 to 5 years, okay, and it was a love marriage, but still after that 4 to 5 years after the love marriage, she was claiming that there is something wrong with her, there is some kind of a black magic done on her, there is some kind of a possession which has happened on her, and she used to enact all these things. There was no black magic on her, there was no supernatural element or paranormal thing attached with her, but she wanted to get rid of her husband, wanted to get rid of this marriage. So she used to pretend that something evil has entered her life, or some negative energy has trapped her, or supernatural entity has trapped her. So she used to abuse, okay, she used to bang her head on the wall, she used to be aggressive, she used to yell, shout, and she used to enact that as if there is a possession that's happened and somebody else is controlling her body and mind. Okay, and she did this for at least 2 to 3 years. And when the husband wanted that some cure should happen for her, because he was a caring husband, even then she used to be irritated and say that don't you understand, don't you still understand. She used to speak in a heavy voice, she used to create a heavy voice, and she used to speak that don't you still understand that leave me, otherwise I will destroy you, leave me, otherwise I will destroy the whole family, and all of this. So all this was happening, and the poor chap went to different astrologers, to different tantrics to get her healed, and just because, like I always say, that mostly the tantrics these days, the evil tantrics, they look for these kind of victims, that even if there is nothing on them, there is no black magic sign, but they will always say that yes, you're right, there is a supernatural entity, there is a black magic, there is a negative energy, to make money out of all you people. Okay, you are not aware of it. So the same thing happened with that guy. He went to several tantrics and astrologers and remedies and all the things he did, but nothing worked. So finally, when he came across our website, he contacted us, and as usual, we recommended for a diagnose. Okay, and in the diagnose, it was clearly said, that the black magic was in fact done on the guy. The black magic was done on the guy from the girl's family side, because they wanted her to get rid of this family. She herself wanted to get rid of this family because she already had a love affair, a hidden love affair, which was regarding, which was actually an extramarital affair, hidden. And this was a plan of her lover and herself, that how we will play with the mind of this particular guy, her husband, and get rid of this, because otherwise he would have never left her, so this was not even leaving her, in fact was getting very tensed about her health and her situation, seeing her like that. So this was their plan of action. And when the diagnosis came to us, I simply told the guy that this is all a drama that is happening, this is all dramatics that is being created in front of you. The idea is to get rid of you, and in fact you are a black magic victim, and your family is a black magic victim, because this whole family of your wife is not worth it. Just leave her, get her out of your life. Otherwise, she's going to destroy the whole family. And as it is, you are a black magic victim. You need to get out of this. So it's not about her cure, it's about your own cure that you need to think about. And he was really shocked. He said, after this, Guru Didi, I'm really thankful to you that you told me this truth, that this is exactly what she's doing, and now there is no question that she's coming back in my life. So, and because that guy had given her his 3 to 4 years in this all nonsense, So what I'm trying to say is that if you're facing any sort of problem which is kind of what I narrated, it's quite a possibility that, especially in a love case and a couple case, that your partner is fooling you. Now, I'm not saying that if somebody is saying that genuinely the person is having a problem, okay, how to differentiate becomes a tricky situation. So the best is get the diagnosis done and get this clarified, because genuine issues also happen between couples. Genuine black magic happens between couple to destroy their marriages. It's not that it does not happen, but there are few people who take over advantage of this, okay, and they try to pretend and enact all these things without thinking that sooner or later this will backfire on them. Okay, so this is what I wanted to convey to all of you, that if you're finding any doubt in any of your people around you who is claiming or is pretending to be a black magic victim, please make sure that you get the diagnosis done for the person and be very clear about the fact whether he or she is a black magic victim or not. Okay, because this is really, really important for you people to understand. And just write on the Gmail, do not call us. I always say that we don't pick up phones. Everything is documented on the mail, and you write a mail, and from there the team will go forward in answering back to you in 24 hours or 48 hours. It's not going to be immediately done, but between 24 hours to 48 hours. Remember this. Don't get out of the team that I've instantly messaged you, there is no answer coming on the mail. There is no need to say all of this. Okay, so that's about it. Next week I'll come with another topic. Till then, goodbye.